So I just spent some time with the Lian DK-07 wood desk PC, and honestly, this thing is wild. At first glance, it doesn't even feel like a PC case. It feels like a high-end walnut standing desk that just happens to swallow a full gaming rig, or even two. And yes, you can actually run a dual system setup inside it, which is insane for streamers or power users. Build-wise, it's premium across the board. Motorized height adjustment, hidden cable management, even built-in USB ports and a wireless charging pad. Everything is designed to keep your workspace completely clean. But it's not perfect. It's extremely heavy. Once you build it, you're not moving it. And the touch controls on the desk surface? Easy to accidentally trigger, which gets annoying fast. At $1,399, it's not cheap. But when you factor in a premium desk and dual PC case separately, it actually starts to make sense. So yeah, this is definitely not for everyone. But if you want an ultra-clean, no-tower setup and have the budget, this might be one of the most unique PC cases ever made.